Welcome back to my channel. My name is Elena and today's Pilates class abs and back workout. Strong back and abdominal muscles can prevent and heal most types of back pain, especially which caused by soft tissue injury or back muscles strain. In this practice, I include different abdominal and back exercises which focus on the muscles that support the spine and lower back, build the core, abs and obliques. So, roll your mat out and let's begin. Supine imprint with the legs in the air, ankles crossed and arms long by the sides, pressing into the ground. Send the legs up and over slightly, lift the hips and return. Exhale to lift the tailbone, inhale to roll back. Use your abdominal muscles to lift the hips and roll back on the mat with control. 8 reps. Ensure your neck and shoulders remain open and relaxed. Slow controlled movement with no momentum. Focus on core control and lumbar mobility and flexion. Wonderful. Lower your feet and move to the next exercise. Sit with the spine lengthened and legs abducted, arms reaching out. Inhale to rotate one side, exhale to fold and reach with the right hand to the opposite foot, sending the left arm back. Inhale to return. Switch the arms and repeat on the opposite side. Exhale to fold. Inhale to come back. Feeling gentle twist and stretching the spine every time you reach to the foot and rotating back in neutral. 8 reps. Spine mobility, hamstrings and quadratus lumbarum stretch. Well done. Knees bent, arms extended forward, spine lengthened. Inhale to prepare, exhale to roll back. Keep your spine in C shape, engage your abs. Inhale to return back in neutral. And repeat. Keep the shoulders away from the ears and shoulder blades stabilized. Think of creating space between the vertebrae and balancing a book on your head as you roll back. 8 reps. Core control and spine mobility and flexion. Slow moves. And one more. Roll back. And restack the spine in the end. And again. And one more. Well done. Sit at the front of the mat, balancing just back on your sit bones. Spine in flexion, legs bent and eyes at the knees. Inhale to roll back onto shoulder blades. Exhale to roll back up. 8 reps. Ensure the head doesn't rest on the mat on the roll back and lumbar spine doesn't slump into a mat. Make sure to roll down the center of the spine and keep your shoulders away from the ears. spine mobility, and core control. So rolling up and down like a ball, then hug your knees and rest your forehead on the knees for a few breaths. Lying prone with the arms extended overhead, legs lengthening, neutral pelvis, and focus on breathing. Inhale to lift the right arm and left leg up. Exhale to return. Switch arm and leg. And go on for 10 reps. Visualize the crown of your head reaching away from the toes. Inhale to lift, exhale to lower. Lumbar stability and coordination. And again, lift and lower. Switch, lift and lower. And then inhale and lift both arms and legs up. Balance and hold the pose for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Wonderful. Rest. And then lift the chest, push the hips back, sit down on your heels, stretch forward, and rest for a few breaths. Lying supine with the legs in tabletop. Hands behind your head, the thoracic spine flexed. Send the right elbow to your left knee and switch the side. Exhale to flex the spine and bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee while keeping your elbows wide. Inhale to pass through the center. Exhale to twist the opposite direction and go on for 12 reps. Crisscross. Think of driving your rib cage round to draw your rib towards your opposite hip bone. Obliques and core control. Breathe. And then lower your feet and rest for a few breaths. Knees bent, arms extended overhead. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to curl up, lifting your head and shoulders to look towards your pubic bone, arms reaching between your knees. Inhale to return. Think of tomato under your chin that you don't want to squish, and think of lengthening the back of your body as opposed to shortening the front of your body. Roll the upper back on the mat with control and think your sternum getting closer to your pubic bone as you curl up. 12 reps for this exercise and go on for 5 more and 4 and 3. Roll up and slowly roll down. 2 and the last one. Awesome. Rest for a few breaths and then proceed to the next exercise. Elbows bent and legs extended up. Lumbar spine in flexion, core connected. Inhale to prepare. Exhale to circle both legs round 5 times in one direction. Exhale to lower the legs. Inhale to lift up. Breathe. Avoid sinking into the shoulders. Press your elbows on the mat and keep your torso as stable as possible. Then circle both legs round 5 times in the other direction. Obliques and core control. Hip flexor strengthening. And one more. Then lower your feet down. Knees in tabletop, elbows bent. Extend the legs up, lower down, then lift up, and repeat 10 times. So aiding crunches with the straight legs. Focus on abdominal muscles and gently working out our triceps. Lift and lower your legs. Inhale, lift, exhale, lower. And one more. And then lower your feet down, hug your knees and rest for a few breaths. One knee bent, other leg extended out to the left. Right hand on the mat and left reaching up. Spine long and neck is extension of your spine. Flex and rotate the spine, reach down to your heel and return. Exhale to reach under, inhale to send the arm up. 8 reps. Twist your spine as you reach down. Open your chest as you return. Follow with your eyes to your hand. And one more. And the last one. Sit down on your heels and switch the side. Left knee bent, right leg extended out to the side. Left hand directly under your shoulder, other reaching up. Inhale to prepare and lengthening through the spine. Exhale to reach under. Inhale to open the chest and send the arm up. Repeat for 8 times. Modify and practice this exercise with the knees bent and hips down. Rest on elbow if wrists are a problem. And one more. Open the chest. Follow with your eye to your hand. Exhale, reaching under. Well done. And then come back. Sit down on your heels and rest for a few breaths. Side lying with the right elbow under your shoulder. Left hand rest on your thigh, bottom knee bent, top leg straight. Exhale to extend the right elbow and lift top leg off the mat. Reach with your hand to your left foot. Inhale to return. 8 reps. Targeting your shoulder, tricep, outer leg and waistline. And go on for 4 more. And 3. Reach into your foot. Foot down, elbow down. 1 more. And the last one. Bend your knees and switch the side. Placing the elbow directly under your shoulder, bottom knee bent, top leg straight. Stretch your left elbow, reach into your right foot, lower the foot, lower the elbow. And go on for a few more. Lift and lower your leg. Lift and lower your elbow. And go on for 3 more. And 2. And the last one. Amazing. And come up on all fours. Knees directly under your hips, hips width apart. Hands directly under your shoulder, shoulders width apart. Step back with one foot and then with the other into a plank. Send your right knee to your chest and return. Then send the left knee to your chest and return to the plank again. Inhale to draw the belly button in and send the tailbone up. Exhale to lower your hips. Ten reps. Keep your spine in flexion as you send the knee to your chest. And 1 more. And keep your body parallel to the floor as you lower the hips. Then sit on your heels, stretch forward and rest for a few breaths. Lift your head and sit with the legs crossed in ankles, arms by your sides. Inhale to lift the arms up and stretch. Exhale to lower the arms in level with your shoulders and turn to your right. Again, stretch up and turn to your left. Go on for 8 reps, twisting the spine as you turn from side to side and lengthening as you're reaching up. And then fold forward to stretch. Take a moment and breathe deeply. Inhale to send the breath in the abdomen. Exhale to your lumbar. And then inhale and come up. Lift the head and lengthen through the spine. Inhale. Flex the spine to your right, reaching left arm overhead, around your back. Move your arm in front of your chest and down. Exhale. Repeat the stretch with the right arm. 8 reps. Breathe. And work on spine mobility. Reaching with the one arm overhead, and then round your back and send the arm to the side. One more. Fold forward and rest. And come up to sitting position on inhalation. And that's it for today, my wonderful friends. Like the video, leave a message and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.